Hi, and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. In this video, we're going to be talking about 4 easy steps to make the perfect cookie. Step 1. Start with a really good cookie recipe. You can find a variety of recipes on our Cooking from Scratch channel. Step 2. Do not overmix the dough. Overmixing the dough can create gluten in the flour, and that can create a tough cookie. I like to mix cookies by hand. If it's easier for you to use a mixer, it's fine to do that for creaming the butter and the sugar, but once you add the flour, try to do that by hand using a wooden spoon. Step 3. Use a light colored baking sheet and parchment paper. The darker the pan, the darker the cookies will be when you take them out of the oven. Also, parchment paper helps to prevent sticking and burning on the cookie sheet. Step 4, and probably the most important, is do not over bake the cookies. I like to start checking at the lower interval of the cooking range. So if the cookies are baking from 10 to 12 minutes, I'll start checking them at 9 or 10 minutes. For most cookies, you want the edges to be firm, and the center should be set. It shouldn't be jiggly or wet. But the bottom of the cookie should be pretty pale and not too dark. A paler cookie is going to lead to more tenderness. Plus, the carryover cooking effect, once the cookies come out of the oven and continue resting on the pan, will help to finish the cooking process. If you like these cookie tips, please like and subscribe.